Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today's bonus video is part of my D-Stash giveaway series, and today I have a mix and match of polishes. I have 3 Sinful colors, 3 NYCs, a Wet n Wild Fast Dry, and a Finger Paints. So to get in on this giveaway you must be living in the United States so that I can ship them to you. You need to be 18 years or older and have your parents' permission, or have your parents or have your parents' permission. I don't need a 50-year-old giving me their parents' permission, okay? And you also must leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're interested in these. I think that's pretty much it. United States, subscriber, all that good stuff. So today's mixed bag, we've got a couple of Sinful colors. This first one is called Commando. It's from the Kylie Jenner series. I loved this one because it had shimmer in it. The next one is just a green, and it's called Lucked Up. Beautiful. And I know these two look a lot alike, but that one's got like chunkier shimmer, and this one's got really fine milled shimmer in it. This one's also a Kylie polish, and this is called Kitty Pink. This was a duplicate, by the way, because I already had it. I kept buying it. I think I bought it 3 times. These NYCs are from the Crystal Couture. I had to have these, y'all. I went nuts hunting these things down. But I have since decided, whatever. So we've got Ruby Queen. Look at that. Stunning. And then we've got the blue one is Blue Majesty. Love it. And then this purple is New York Princess. Stunning. Now these two blues look exactly the same. I get it. This one's metallic though. It has metallic shimmer in it. And this one's more of a jelly. So that Finger Paints here is called Marguerite's Masterpiece. And then this blue from Wet n Wild Fantasy series is called Saved by the Blue. So these polishes have all been swatched on my channel, or swatched on swatch sticks, and for the swatch dots on top. If you don't mind that polishes have been worn by me, then jump in. I know these 3 for sure have not been worn by me. That one has not been worn by me. I did a water marble with this one, and each of these might have been worn once. So if you're not bothered by any of that, leave me a comment down below and let me know that you are interested in these, and you will be signed up for this giveaway. So that is it for me today. I will get in touch with the winner of this giveaway and let you know that you've won. So until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.